Hi everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI and its advanced reasoning model, the DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek AI is a powerful AI language model that can assist with various tasks similar to ChatGPT. What's even better, it's free to use. So let's dive in. Step 1 is assessing the DeepSeek AI. Open your browser and go to deepseek.com. Click Start Now for free access to DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1. Sign up or log in with your Google or Apple or ID and email. Once logged in, you'll see the chat interface, which works just like ChatGPT. To start the conversation, type your question in the box message. Then the DeepSeek AI will generate a response instantly based on your query. Need a deeper analysis? Use the DeepSeek R1 by clicking the Deep Think. Before submitting your question, this enables advanced reasoning to complex problems. You can also enable internet search result to get the real-time and up-to-date information. Click Search at the bottom before sending your prompt. The DeepSeek will fetch live data from the web, plus, apply AI reasoning. Example, if you ask, is it a good time to invest in Nvidia? The DeepSeek will search for recent stock market news, analyze the trends and risk, provide a well-reasoned conclusion. And why use DeepSeek AI? It's free to use, unlike the OpenAI's reasoning model, which costs $200 a month. DeepSeek is completely free. You can install it on your computer for offline access. And that's it. Now you know how to use DeepSeek AI for chatting, deep thinking, and real-time searches. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.